Hello everyone, today we're gonna work on an easy but an interesting problem to learn about the space and time complexity. So given a string of the word or space, return the length of the last word in the string. So if we have hello word, so right here it has space in between, so basically return the length of the last word, meaning the last word is word, which is a length of 5. So we want to get the length of the word itself. So the next piece, we have fly me to the moon. How many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we have 5, and then the last word is moon, and we calculate the length of it. So right at the back, you will be able to remember how do you normally get the last word, or basically a last element. So what kind of data structure that we need to use? So think the easiest one to use the last element would be using an array. So let's say we have an array of maybe using A, B, C, D. What do you use to get the last element of the array? So in order to get the last element of the array, then we just need to get the array, the last element starting from the bottom using a minus sign, 1. This is the last element, which is the D. So think it that way, we can use an array, changing the string back to an array with each element, and then we can use and to calculate the length, we just need to use the length of the array. So yes, this is the way to solve this problem. So what is the method to change a string into an array? So remember, in Python we have a function called split. We'll be able to split the string into an array. So this is just one of the example. I just want to show it here. So in order to make the string as into an array, we use the function split. And during this split, what do you want to split it between? Because the question asks you to split the space, so you don't have to add anything here. But if the question has comma, using similar for CSV files, then we're gonna use it. Otherwise, we're just gonna use a split. And I will have a constant assigned to it, constant maybe result. We're gonna split it up, and so right here our result gonna be hello world. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna run for everyone to see. Okay, so what is the base case in this one? What if a string doesn't have anything? We won't be able to split it. So right away, the base case is if we're gonna return 0, because there's no length to calculate. White border is solving it, right? And then after we have the result, we use this formulas. We use the last element, which is -1, because we want to calculate the length. So we gonna put in the length right here. Let's run. Okay, it's accepted. So our output will be 5, with exactly the same as the answer. And right now we're gonna calculate the time and space complexity. What is the time complexity? Because in this case, let's say we need to iterate to every single element in the S. This is O of n. And because we calculate the length, which is a constant, O of 1. So basically the time complexity right here is only O of n. Okay, how about the space? What is the worst case of the space complexity? So because right here on the string we have space, what if we only have a string that has like all of it without any space at all? So literally we have to use the input for every single letters here. So that is why the worst space complexity is O of n. Yep. And this one, the space complexity to calculate the length and the result in the last element is a constant time. So O of n, O of 1, sorry. So the result will be also O of n. Awesome. Okay. Hopes everyone understands this question. Hit submit. That's good. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.